Game.
Papakita ko sa inyo mga tricks kay Roxy. Anong
Have her go down.
go down?
Roxy down.
Ah, Roxy down.
Dapat marami.
Roxy.
Then sit. You have to say your name first, then come in.
Roxy, sit.
A little
She's
bit
sitting.
louder. A little bit louder.
Roxy, sit.
And
She's eating.
give her go like that.
Ah, okay. Roxy. Roxy.
She's ignoring.
Dapat kasi di mo muna binigyan ng... Tapos yung ano, yung iikot si Roxynak.
Ang lamig.
Malamig.
Roxy,